Hi, everybody. My name is Christian Dutcher, and I run Americade and the Rolling Thru America tours. I'm emailing you an update regarding the September tours. The COVID virus obviously has had an impact on our business and everyone's lives, and we've had to postpone two of our events that take place early in the year to midsummer dates. That's been challenging enough, but what it also means is that it impacts our ability to do our September tours in the way that we want to do our September tours. We set a very high bar for ourselves, and we take pride in the excellent product that we roll out for you guys. People love the Rolling Thru America tours, and we don't want to deliver anything that's less than that. And with our spring events now happening in mid to late summer, we don't think that we can pull off two Rolling Thru America tours in September in the way that we want to, in the way that you deserve to have them delivered. And that means that we have to postpone one of them, which is a huge bummer because our Finger Lakes tour we're really excited about, and our Virginia tour is our highest ever rated tour. The only fair way to make that decision is based upon the tour size. And the Finger Lakes tour is sold out, and the Virginia tour is close to sold out, but not sold out. So we have to postpone the Virginia tour. And as I said, it's a great irony because last year's Rolling Thru Virginia tour was our best ever tour. It was excellent. I loved it. You loved it. It went very well. It's a wonderful tour. And I can't tell you, I know it's disappointing for you, and it's definitely disappointing for me. But I hope you understand the reasons why. We want to maintain that. We want to maintain our stellar reputation and deliver nothing but an excellent tour, and we just can't do that with all the delays that we've had this year due to the COVID virus. Obviously, refunds will take care of everybody, or if you want to carry a credit over to 2021, that's fine because we'll be doing the Rolling Thru Virginia tour in 2021. Email us if you have any questions. Stay safe, stay COVID free, and hopefully I'll see you in the Finger Lakes.